Figgy gear seo chairde. Look at this. I'm on Barrington's Pier in Limerick City, and the last tide coughed up this tree, this beast of a tree. And the Shannon River on tSionainn, Manchán Magan posits that she's called after Sean-Áine. Áine being, a girl's name we have today in Ireland. And Sean-Áine, like old Áine. An means brightness, fiery, and Áine is simply the genitive case until ginnidach of an. So her name itself means like that fiery fertility. And Áine, the goddess, is in the land. She's in the land at Lochgur, and Cnoc-Áine, that's Knock-Éine in County Limerick. So she brings this beautiful creative energy for Fáinnam na Gaeilge, learning Irish. And we were talking about this last night at a monthly workshop kicking off An Ciorcal Beo. An Ciorcal Beo is a circle of members who come together with intention and practice Irish with us. We have a live session every Tuesday at 8 p.m. Irish time. There's people from different time zones who attend, and every month part of that is a workshop where we dive a bit deeper, cover the myths and the landscape and everything like that, and where Gaeilge sits in with all that. So if you're interested, if you're learning Irish now and you want to go a bit deeper and you need that practice with intention in a group, by all means, please do consider An Ciorcal Beo.